Welcome to EWS. My name's Aaron, I'm an Enviro technician, and in this video we are looking at getting started with our VWT devices and the Lynx app. On the table in front of me I have a DVWT or dual vibrating wire telemetry unit. This means that you're able to connect up to 2 VWPs or vibrating wire piezo's to this particular unit. This guide will also work on our QVWT and OVWTs, allowing you to connect 4 VWPs and 8 VWPs respectively. Looking at the base of the device, you'll see 3 fly leads. The larger M12 connectors are inputs for the VWPs and are labelled S1 and S2. The third lead is an external power lead and can be connected to charge the internal battery using an external battery pack or solar panel. On the side of the device, you can see the device's type, serial number and unique IMEI. And on the back is a USB cover that can be removed to reveal a micro USB slot for connecting to a PC. On the sides, you will also see 2 moulded catches that will allow the device to connect to a custom holding bracket that clicks in over the back and can be attached to nearly any surface. To remove the device, just pull the tabs back and pull the unit forward. The final feature is a push button. This turns the device on by pressing once. Pressing a second time turns on the Bluetooth, and holding the button for 10 seconds returns the device back to shipping mode to conserve battery. Let's connect to VWP. Please ensure to check the wiring layout of your particular VWPs, as this will need to be correctly wired into the M12 plug. This diagram will help and can be found in the VWT Quickstart guide shipped with your device or online at ewsmonitoring.com. Pin 1 and 2 are for the vibrating wire's frequency channel, 3 and 4 for the temperature, and the shield wire should connect to pin 5. To simulate an infield setup, I'm going to plug the VWP into the S1 fly lead and an external battery into the external power lead. Once everything is connected, I'll turn on the device using the press button, then press the button again to turn on Bluetooth. I can then open the EWS Lynx app and press the Pair Device button. Once the device is connected, press OK and you'll see the device information screen. This shows the type of the device, its serial number, IMEI, modem type, internal battery voltage and any fault information. We can even type in a site name and some site notes from our installation and share that via our phone's messaging services. By selecting the sensor icon, we can see the program channels on the device, and by pressing the Read All button, request a spot reading from all activated channels. Individual channel settings can be found by clicking the associated gear icon next to the channel. Here we can adjust the interval and start times and then press Done when we have finished changing the channel settings. We can even remove unused channels from the device by going into channel settings and hitting Delete Channel. This can help clean up the final output of the device, as the deleted channels no longer take any readings and will not be included in the final transmission of data. On the log screen, you can download the device's log and save it to your device by selecting the date range and hitting Download. Once the data is retrieved from the device, you can share it or save it by pressing the Share button and using your phone's available services. Finally, the Telemetry tab takes us to the telemetry settings, or how often the device will transmit its data to the Iridium or cell network. You can adjust the device's start time and interval. If you change any of the channel or transmission intervals, you may be using more data and should check with your data provider for any overage fees that may occur. Once you've confirmed your settings, you can run a forced transmission. If you're required to store the device for a period of time, return to the device page where you can press the shipping mode button, turn off the device and save battery life. I hope you enjoyed this getting started guide of the EWS Lynx app and DVWT. Please check back in on the EWS YouTube channel for more videos and how-tos on interacting with our products in the near future.